Guys, welcome to IT Skill Pro. I'm Sheikh Farooq. Today we are going to see how to install Android Studio into the Windows. And first go to download Android Studio and click on Android Studio official Android IDE. IDE means Integrated Development Environment. And after then it will show some UI. And then choose download Android Studio 4.0 for Windows 64-bit, and it is 871 MB. Just click on it. It will ask the agreement license and check it and download Android Studio, and it will automatically download the Android Studio in your PC. And I'm just cancelling because I have already downloaded my Android Studio into my PC. And look at here, this is Android Studio exe. Just right click on it and run as administrator. It will take time. Yes, it will ask, click on yes. It will take time. And look at here, please wait while setup is loading and verifying the installer. Until the process complete, you have to wait. Then click on next, next, next and install. It will take time. The process is going to complete. Wait until the process is completed. Yes, the process is completed, and then click on next and finish, and your Android Studio is successfully installed and it will launch automatically. Otherwise, let's go to the C drive program files. Look at here, your Android Studio is installed successfully, and go to the bin and it will show you the studio application. Just click on it. It will open automatically. Click on OK and look at here, it is asking the installation configuration. Choose don't import the settings, and your Android Studio is successfully installed in your PC. Thank you. Please subscribe and share.